Hello Internet! Today let's talk about the most annoying sound that I have ever encountered. So we was walking past on the sidewalk and a car passed by, and I was okay with the sound that woo that normally do, but this car have a different sound. He put a stupid horn. He's changed the horn into a it's so hard to describe it. Today, I don't really know what to talk about other than I'm getting my first car license. Yeah. Nobody give a fuck. So carry on. So nothing much happened other than I stayed home watching TV. Oh yeah, I watched a movie called The Giver. You guys should really go watch it. It's quite fun. Yep. And if I stay, I love that movie. Movie. So today I really don't know what to talk about. Then you're probably saying, yes, you just waste your time watching other people talking nonsense. Okay. So this week probably the only thing that I do is getting a car license. And Tuesday till Friday was a boring day. Get it? A boring day. I didn't do nothing special. I stayed watching TV and exercise a bit. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And if you want to see me talking some more nonsense, comment in the section below what should I talk about next time. Bye bye.